Well, and another sign of spring, our first threat for severe weather will be on Wednesday. I'm meteorologist Joe Martucci. Good to be with you here, and we do have a risk for severe weather from 5 to 10 p.m. on Wednesday as a line of at least heavy rain, if not severe weather, moves through. If we do see severe weather, it would most likely be in the form of damaging winds, although small hail will be possible as well. This isn't a huge threat for severe weather, but for early March, it's a higher than usual risk, and of course, it is our first one of what will be many throughout the season. The reason why it's so stormy in part is because we're getting this plume of moisture coming from the Bahamas. That moisture helps to bring an unstable atmosphere, and it's going to feel pretty damp, if not humid, during the day on our Wednesday as dew points. That measure of moisture in the air get to about 60 degrees or so, and you see that plume going from south to north. We take a look at our future cast, and your outdoor plans for the morning and midday, they're good here. But we are looking for a few rain showers after about 1 o'clock, and then that line passes through at some point between 5 to 10 p.m. That could bring severe weather, at the very least thunderstorms. Then we can see a few showers until about midnight, and then we're drying out afterwards here. And from about 5 to 10 p.m., that line of rain or thunderstorms would be for about 2 hours or so. So really most of your daytime hours on your Wednesday are going to be dry here, but it will be very windy. These are our forecast rainfall totals. We will take this, a half inch to an inch of rain. It's certainly good for our what looks to be worsening drought situation. Now, here are the winds. They're howling out of the south and east as we go into the day. What I want to let you know is that these are maximum potential wind gusts outside of the thunderstorms, meaning if there's a thunderstorm that comes through during the evening, they can be 60, 70, maybe 75 miles an hour. These are what we call synoptic wind gusts or large-scale wind gusts absent of any thunderstorm activity. So winds come from the south and the southwest on our Wednesday, and then as we go into Thursday, they come out of the west, and that will help to dry us out. Here's a look at our school bus forecast. It's mild, it's breezy on your Wednesday morning. Temperatures slowly rising from the mid to upper 40s to around 50 degrees. We'll be well into the 50s just about everywhere on Wednesday. A few 60s in places like Hamilton, Buna, getting into Jackson and Upper Freehold as well. Look at those wave heights too. We have gale warnings in effect for the waters, and wave heights will climb up to 10 feet. Then we go into Wednesday night. This is our thunderstorm time, 5 to 10 p.m. Strong thunderstorms will be possible. At the very least, it is wet and it is very windy here, and anything by about 12 o'clock, and then we're dry afterwards as winds only slowly lighten and our temperatures only slowly fall. We go into Thursday. It's a more seasonable day. It's a mostly sunny day. Wave heights are still high, though, 6 to 8 feet. You don't want to be out in the waters if you have a small vessel on Thursday. And here's a look at our inland 7-day forecast. Temperatures staying fairly seasonable for most of the 7-day forecast. We take a look at our weekend here. Just a shower or two on Saturday. It's a mostly dry day on your Saturday. Sunday looks dry, but it looks to be cold yet again. And then we go to the beach towns, and it's pretty much the same story. But remember, we do have those high waves along the ocean waters.